Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 24th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, bulls are definitely in control here. We saw a fifth straight day of gains. The Dow was up 74 points, while the S&P 500 was up 6 points. The Nasdaq gained 24, and the Russell squeaked out a gain of 2 points today. Bonds bouncing a little here, up 69 cents, while gold was down about 2.5 at the official close. Has been, has been bouncing since, and crude finished fairly flat after bouncing back and forth. Was down 11 cents at the close. Now, there is one stock that I think you should be keeping on your watch list, and that is Apple. Apple here after moving nicely higher after this most recent earnings report, has settled back and has been trading in a range, but I think it's just a calm before the storm here. I think we're in for another big move on Apple. The weekly chart really puts it in perspective. If we look a little closer here, all trading has been within the high and low here of a couple of weeks ago. So we have a multi-week inside bar formation here, and I would keep an eye on the high and the low of the May 8th weekly bar here and wait for a breakout one way or the other. Now, with momentum being what it is across the board, whether you're looking at the daily, the weekly, or the monthly, it's significantly higher, and so odds are of a breakout to the upside, and if we get that, it will be significant. Also, you always want to look at breaks of previous highs when you're dealing with long trades, or breaks below previous lows when you're dealing with short trades, especially when a break of a previous high would mean a move to all-time highs, meaning no resistance up ahead. I mean, if you just take your trend line and mark previous highs such as this, whenever you break a previous high, especially if you retest it, you're usually in for a bigger move. I mean, look at the break of these previous highs here. Off it went. Even look at the index charts. Like, look at the Dow and the S&P. Let's mark these areas where we went kind of sideways and mark those highs. And you'll notice that there's usually an explosive move after we break above them. Here's another area of consolidation. Mark those highs and their breakthrough, and off we go. So if we get a move, especially if it's all-time highs, like up in here, we get a breakthrough that, look for an explosive move. But Apple certainly seems like it is ready to go. So keep an eye on the most recent high here and a break of it, and we should be in for another explosive move. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.